Welcome to the life area of passion and purpose. Next to spirituality and faith, this is probably the most profound life area. But don't let that scare you. Actually, your passion and purpose is closer than you think. Let me give you a few tips that can be clues leading you to what it is that you're meant to do. The first is, what are you good at? What do you do that people say to you, wow, that was awesome, and you say, it was no big deal? That's a clue to your passion and purpose and your gifts and talents. Because when something is easy for you, that is the very thing that you're meant to do. It comes easy to you because it's part of who you are. So don't discount it anymore. Stand up in it. Look around. How can that passion and purpose, how can those gifts and talents serve a need in this world? Then think about this. What do you enjoy doing? Very often it's the thing you're good at, but it could be something else. Now see, can those two things come together and again bring a third thing in and meet that need in the world? These are all powerful clues to your passion and purpose. So what is your action step? Make a list. Make a list of all the things you love to do. Make a list of all the things you're good at. And then ask people, what do you think I'm good at that maybe I take for granted? Then start to look around in the world. Where could those things that you enjoy and that you're good at and that maybe you take for granted, how can they serve the world? Once you do that, you are on your way to discovering your passion and purpose.